Welcome to KH Homoeo Wellness. This video is on Women Wellness Series, Part 4 Know About Your Periods. Let's get into the video. This is 21st century. Even today, there are so many myths revolving the periods. We are not even allowed to say the names, the periods, menses, pads, etc. We have to use the code words. They celebrate our first menses, but we are not allowed to talk about our next cycles, period care products. What a contradiction! Even shopkeepers wrap tons of newspapers and give us the products. Even period care product ads show us blue blood. We are not aliens having a blue blood. It's time to break the myths and understand the periods. Myth number 1. Period blood is bad blood. Girls are impure during periods, so they should not touch the pickles, they should not lie on bed, they should not enter the kitchen, they should not go to temples. When they come in contact with the plants or water the plants, they get spoiled. To break this myth, we have to understand what periods is. Every month, the ovaries release the egg around the 14th day and the egg wait in the fallopian tubes. When it joins with the sperm, it moves to the uterus and gets attaches here. In this time, the uterus prepares a layer inside it called endometrium. This endometrium acts like a bed to receive the fertilized egg. If the egg is not fertilized, then at the end of the month, that bed sheds off and that is periods. This process happens only to get ready to receive the fertilized egg for next month. There is nothing impure in that. It is the removal of old bed to make room for the new bed. Actually, the regular periods is an indication for your menstrual health. Myth number 2. Taking head bath increases the flow. This is actually not true. Even a popular message in social media says that uterus gets swelled in a period of time when you take regular head bath on the first day of periods. That is a fake news. If you are okay with a warm head bath, you can actually do it. It reduces your menstrual cramps also. Myth number 3. You should not do exercise during periods. But no, you can do light exercises, little stretches during periods. It also helps to reduce your menstrual cramps. Myth number 4. You should avoid swimming and bathing in water bodies during periods. The fact is, when you use cloth or cotton pads, you may feel uncomfortable during swimming because it absorbs the period blood when it comes out of the vagina. But when you go to swimming during periods, that pads absorb the water also and it interferes the absorbing capacity. If you use tampons or menstrual cups, you can go swimming because it collects the period blood before coming out of the vagina. Myth number 5. Periods come in exact day on every month. That is not true. Periods date varies from woman to woman. It also varies from 21 to 34 days and also the flow varies from 2 to 7 days. For this, first understand what is happening inside the uterus. Women by birth have 400 immature eggs inside the ovary. Every month, one egg becomes mature and gets released. For the first 14 days, the eggs becomes mature. This phase is called follicular phase. And on the 14th day, it gets released by the ovary. That is ovulation. The next 14 days are called luteal phase. These phases are purely controlled by the hormones estrogen and progesterone. If the egg is not fertilized, at the end of the 28th day, we will get periods. Stress, certain medication, and foods can affect our cycle. Brain is the control center. Even disturbed sleep affects our cycle. Myth number 6. PMS affects few girls only. As I already told, menses is controlled by hormones progesterone and estrogen. You can see a clear drop in these hormones in the last days of the cycle and during the ovulation. This drop in the hormones affect our mood and create mood swings. PMS is manifested both mentally and physically. Physically, we feel breast pain, redness, pain in the legs, especially in thighs, headache, fatigue, etc. Mentally, we are very angry, upset. We will have great mood swings. If PMS affects our mental normal activities, then consult your doctor and get treated. Myth number 7. Virginity is lost when we use menstrual cups or tampons. This is the most idiotic myth regarding periods. Virginity is lost only when we have sexual intercourse, not by using menstrual cups or tampons. We have the right to speak, to know about periods. There is no shame at all. Nothing wrong is happening with us. Speak out and be happy. Thanks for watching this video.